Hello, it's Glenn here from Southland Kia Medicine Hat, doing a vehicle walk around on a 2018 Sonata GL. Nice silver. Car was well looked after. LED daytime running lights. Nice sedan. Let's jump inside here. As you can see, it's got a cloth interior. It's well looked after. Infotainment screen. Backup camera with the backup lines. Heated seats. 212-volt charging USB charger. Got your drive modes: sport, comfort, economy, cruise control, Bluetooth, blind spot assist, fuel door release, power windows. It's a great car. If you're in the market for a pre-owned vehicle with under 60,000 kilometers, give us a call here at Southland Kia for 03526 2275.